Hi, I'm Matt Borden. I'm one of the plant pathologists here at the Bartlett Arboretum in Charlotte, North Carolina. And we're thankful this week for the gorgeous show that our Camellia sasanquas are putting on for us right now. This is one of two Camellia species commonly planted in the landscape as ornamentals, along with Camellia japonica. But the Camellia sasanquas bloom earlier in the season. In fact, these started around mid-October and they are still going strong. So we're really grateful for the amazing display of color and different flower shapes and sizes that our sasanqua collection is putting on for us. And these are really beautiful, tough, broadleaf evergreens in the landscape if you put them in the right location. Every day I'm out here and I'm just so thankful for the colors, different forms, and stunning display that's going on right now when not a whole lot else in the landscape is blooming.